by Converge head coach Del Pineda. Coach, congratulations. First off, gaano kahirap yung desisyon na magpalit ng import, especially at this point of the conference, where we're more than halfway through the elimination round?
Hindi po hindi naging mahirap po yung desisyon, naging mabilis po. Based on the last game. So talagang kailangan magpalit, lalo na we are on a do or die situation. Kailangan namin ng tulong ng import talaga.
And now we open the third questions from the video.
Congratulations sa...
Thank you po.
Una po, paano po pa nakakuha si Donovan Smith and kung sabi nyo na maganda siya nila na right away?
Doon sa last 2 games namin, we really need to have a new import. So, nag-usap-usap yung mga coaches. So, nagpahanap ako dun sa league na kakatapos lang. I don't want naman yung kukuha ka ng mga 1 month na naka-rest, 3 months or 2 months na naka-rest. So, blessing na just finished 2 days after nung finals nila, siya yung the best choice talaga.
Nakakataon po Phoenix yung first game na. Nakakataon na Phoenix po yung first game na.
Ang dami nga pong blessing Imagine, first game with Phoenix, former team of Donovan, then another blessing. I don't know what happened, wala yung import nila. Injured po ba?
Congratulations and welcome back to the Philippines. Just describe your impressive opening game for Converge.
First of all, thank you, and glad to be back. I mean, I could have played a little bit better, but I mean, it was a good game. We got the win. I was a little sad that I couldn't play against their import, but you know, it is what it is.
Seems that with the way you performed tonight, Converge is satisfied with the production provided today and possibly the next couple of games.
Yeah, like I said, I got a little more to work on, but yeah, this is just the first game with these guys, and I'm just glad we got the win and was able to play together and pull out the W.
So, based po sa body language, Donovan mukhang maganda po yung samahan sa kanyang mga teammates.
Maybe because Donovan had experience already in our league. That's why it's not a problem for him to play with the local players.
So, meron po kayo mga 2 games, pero mukhang hindi po naawag yung recipe nyo kasi hindi nyo na po makakalaban yung mga kumaliin na sumangin. Ano lang po masasabi nyo na...
Paano pa?
Kasi po hindi nyo na po sila makakalaban, so nakadepende rin po sa kanila yung take-off hopes ninyo. So ano lang po masasabi nyo na ano po yung mindset nyo sa coming 2 games now that mukhang gumaganda na po yung laro ninyo?
For this coming 2 games, we'll treat this a do or die talaga. And we're still hoping na sana makapasok kami sa playoff. Basta we'll do our best in the last 2 games. We'll give our best. And especially we have Donovan here. I think, we beat the... What's our score? 120?
130 to 101.
130. So, yung missing link namin, I think, this guy talaga. Contribution of the import. Especially on the score. Yun yung nawala sa amin sa mga previous games. Kaya, hopefully, praying na ito na.
Coach, si Balvin, marami siyang na-score mo the last couple of games parang nag-starting siya on the offensive end. Ano masabi nyo?
Paano po?
Starting po si Balvin as to win offensively tonight. Nag-boys po ata. So,
Justin,
Balvin, ano siya? Ano masasabi nyo sa performance niya today?
Balti contribute good today. Even ang mga previous game,
14.
previous game kasi limited time eh. But delivery of Justin Aranya naman, di ba? We need to sacrifice yung dalawa. Nag-usap naman kasi we need the import. So yung time ng dalawa talaga mababawasan. Kung hindi man bumaba yung performance ni Balti for the last 2 games, Aranya naman nag-deliver. So, but now I think they're both good, right?
Yeah.
Good performance yung dalawang bigs po natin.
And lastly, what was it like facing your former teammates? Was there any friendly banter or something?
I mean, it was fun seeing a couple of those guys over there and reuniting with them and talking with them. Some of these guys I still talk to today. So I mean, like when I left the conference, but yeah, it was fun. I mean, you know, it was a good game. Most importantly, we won, which is fine. And yes, there was a lot of banter with Perkins and Richie Rivera, but I told them before the game that we'll win. So I stood on that.
And that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you.